Come on, let's go. Welcome to spring, Java's main stage, built for the back end to break out the cage. No more boilerplate, no tight mess, just clean DI and lightweight finesse. You build big apps, Spring's got your back, from REST APIs to a service stack. With annotations and modular flow, your code stays sleek and it's ready to grow. Spring loves beans, inject with pride. Loose coupling keeps logic on the glide. Service is wired, no new instance pain, just auto-wired. Clean code gain, aspect-oriented cross-cut concerns. Login and security modular turns. You split your layers, keep them neat. With Spring behind, you can't be beat. Wanna go fast? Spring boots the jam. Auto config, magic, no setup spam. Embedded Tomcat, ready to serve. Just run your app, get what you deserve. REST endpoints, REST controller go. With JSON flying in a structured flow. Connect to DB with JPA flair. CRUD like butter, clean and fair. Spring security, locks it down tight. JWT a session, both done right. Microservices, yeah it scales. Spring Cloud brings tools that never fail. It's open source, backed by pros, the Java backbone, and everybody knows. So if you build an enterprise grade, Spring's your sword, back in Slade.